I love this stuff and have found this brand is always excellent. I take the capsules daily and it has been making my middle-aged skin beautiful for a couple of years. I sometimes open a capsule and mix a little of the HA with purified water, then apply directly to my face. That creates a tight, translucent film. When I don't take this, if I am traveling and have run out, my skin looks worse in a matter of days. I look 10+ years older. A++++ for now hyaluronic acid. Thank you to this reliable brand. My physical medicine doctor suggested taking hyaluronic acid for my spinal stenosis with neurogenic claudication. It's a fancy name for pain experienced in various ways due to a narrowing of the spinal canal that places pressure on the nerve roots, or something to that effect. Specifically in my case, some of my lumbar discs had flattened and had a loss of fluid. Anyway, it can be quite painful and sometimes makes it hard to even stand up straight. While it's true that resting has greatly contributed to the overall improvement, I can also say that the hyaluronic acid, which improves fluid, the same reason why it is used in facial serums and moisturizers, caused a marked improvement, and when I ran out of it at one point, I noticed a return of so. I am not saying that it's a miracle cure or that it will help everyone, but it certainly helped me and I will definitely continue purchasing it. Until recently, this was only available in 50 mg, requiring taking 2 capsules a day, but now with the 100 mg capsule, only 1 capsule a day is required. Closing parenthesis. Caveat. I don't have a problem swallowing pills and capsules. If you do, perhaps you can open the capsules and mix the contents with food or liquid in the morning. Hyaluronic acid works for me. I thought that the reviews saying that their skin looked better was just hype, but a couple of weeks after I started taking it, I happened to glance and my hand and my skin actually looked a lot better. Also, a year and a half ago, I was told that I needed a knee replacement. Now my knee isn't perfect, but I can go up ladders by alternating legs, the usual way, which I couldn't do before. I, of course, don't know that hyaluronic acid was casual in this case, but I am not going to stop taking it. This provides excellent relief from the aggravation of early-onset osteoarthritis in my hands. Click link in description for more reviews. Please subscribe.